back to the Voice News. I'm Palak with you. COVID-19 vaccination, state government can buy only 2 crores doses for 18 plus people in May. The central government have information COVID-19 vaccination for 18 plus. The central government has shared the distribution formula before the Supreme Court to get the vaccine to the states. Under this, the state government can buy only 2 crore doses for people in the group of 18 to 44 in May. The center has fixed a quota of all states by talking to companies. New Delhi Corona continues to work havoc in the country. Every effort is being made by the government to deal with it. The government is trying to get more and more people vaccinated at a rapid pace. There is a shortage of vaccine in the state as soon as vaccination is accelerated. In the view of the lack of vaccine, central government has shared the formula of distribution of vaccine for the states before the Supreme Court. Under the new formula, the state government can buy only 2 crores doses for the population of 18 to 44 age group in May. Central government told the Supreme Court that these 2 crores doses will be given to the states in proportion to the population of the age group of 18 to 44. Due to some states not getting the vaccine till now, people between the age of 18 to 44 have got very low doses. State quota fixed. According to an English newspaper, the central government told the Supreme Court, since the state government are buying the vaccine for the vaccine manufacturer, therefore the central government has talked to the vaccine company and has fixed the quota according to the ratio of the state's population 18 to 44 years. Our effort is not to discriminate against any state. The central government has informed in the Supreme Court that 8.5 crore doses of vaccine are expected to be produced this month. The central government has told the Supreme Court that the vaccine will be distributed equally in the month of May. Apart from this, the central government hopes that the people are getting vaccine production could increase in the next 2 months. State government complained. Let us tell you that some states had complained that they are not getting enough allocation from the central government. Due to this, the work of vaccination of people has slowed down. Accordingly to government statistics, at present there are about 59.5 crore people between 18 to 44 years of age in the country. If you're watching on Facebook, then follow this page. If you're watching on YouTube, then like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.